The Xenon Ballast Kit AC12V 100W high-power HID Xenon headlight bulb is a noteworthy upgrade for those seeking enhanced visibility and performance from their vehicle's lighting systems. Designed to replace traditional halogen lamps, this kit comes equipped with 3 bulb types, H1, H3, and H7, catering to a wide range of vehicle models. One of the standout features of this kit is its adaptability to different color temperatures. Users can choose between 4300K, 6000K, and 8000K options, enabling customization that can suit various preferences and driving conditions. The 4300K variant tends to produce a more natural light, closely mimicking daylight, which can reduce eye strain during night driving. The 6000K provides a cooler, bluish-white light that enhances vehicle aesthetics while improving nighttime visibility. Lastly, the 8000K offers a deeper blue hue for those looking to make a bolder statement on the road.